I'm here to show you how to set up and use the folding stand for Magsafe charger. To start, set out the folding stand and your Magsafe charger. Feed the charger cable through the hole in the stand and pull the cable all the way through. Press the Magsafe charger head firmly into the stand. Open the stand to a full 90 degrees and feed the connector through the passage. Press the cable into the groove and pull taut to eliminate any slack. Feed the cable into the base and secure it in position. Wrap the cable around the base to your desired length that reaches your wall charger. Insert the base cover and set on your desk to use. Click your phone to the charger and stream and text while it powers. The weighted bottom keeps the stand in place when you remove the phone with a twist motion from the bottom. For travel, remove the base cover, wrap the cable around the base and secure the connector into the center groove. Insert base cover and press stand flat to carry in bags and packs. To take your Magsafe charger out of the stand, remove the base cover and unwind the cable. Press charger off the stand through the hole in the back. Then, release the cable from the base and pull free from the stand. That's it! Now you can use your folding stand for Magsafe charger.